Just steps away from the Atlantic Ocean, you'll find Laurie's Loft, an adorable beach cottage with peaceful ocean views. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home sleeps 10 and features a desirable reverse floor plan with the living area located on the 2nd floor. Downstairs, guests are greeted by a cozy sitting area that is centrally located to the home's 3 bedrooms. 2 of these rooms, which share a common bath, are painted in warm tones and feature custom hardwood floors, while gentle sounds of the ocean are just a window away. The home's master bedroom, also located on the 1st floor, comes complete with its own private bath and features plenty of windows, taking full advantage of its ideal island setting. Upstairs, a spacious living area is perfectly designed to accommodate groups of all sizes. A comfortable sitting area, complete with fireplace and cathedral ceilings, opens up to an open-air deck that overlooks the ocean. The home's walk-through kitchen has plenty of counter space for preparing family meals and has been fully updated with state-of-the-art appliances. The dining area, located just off of the great room and next to the kitchen, features a large dining room table designed to bring everyone together. A small office is also located on the 2nd floor of this home, while the home's signature sleeping loft can be found just above the sitting area. With its ideal location and warm and inviting floor plan, Laurie's Loft is the perfect seaside retreat to spend time with friends and family. For more information or to book online, visit baldheadisland.com/Laurie's Loft.